Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, I doubt you are because my views are like next to zero. I'm not getting ready for anything. I've got nowhere to go, but it's 9 AM and I'm not going to the gym today because I just cannot be fucked. The hair is a situation right now. I know I've got to like just finesse it out of the way. All right, let's just get straight into it. So I'm gonna start off on the eyes as always. I'm gonna grab the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium. You guys know that when I'm not here on YouTube or on Instagram, I am freelancing. It's just been absolutely mental coming out of lockdown from last year. Like it's just wedding season all year this year. Random days of the week as well. Like I literally did a bridal party a few Tuesdays ago of like 8 people. A bridal party of 8 on a Tuesday. At this point, people are so over postponing their wedding. They just want to get married whenever. And like, it's cool for me. Like, I couldn't care. This is my inspo for today, the Hailey Bieber Blue Liner Vibe. Today is the Beauty Bay, what is this, 42 color palette nude. I think it's like $30 or $40 for this entire thing. It literally has every color you would ever need. I also just have to say a huge thank you to every single one of you who has sent me a message about my podcast. So I'm currently working on episode 2 as we speak. Not only are people getting and having to isolate, that screwed me up a couple of times, but also like still, you know, working through my mental breakdown that I had last year. Relatable. So Hailey does have a little bit of like an eyeliner going on. As you can see, it looks like a very dark, slightly winged out brown. This Anastasia brush, the 7B. I'm gonna grab a little smudger brush and just smudge in that liner. Let's talk about the beauty community because I feel like the beauty community has died here on YouTube. No one gives a fuck about Nikkie Tutorials and Jeffree Star anymore. I mean, don't get me wrong, they're still making content, blah, blah, blah. You know, if anything, people love Nikkie more now than ever. But I feel like the excitement for beauty is kind of vanishing, even though there is still so many creators here on the platform. I think people at this point know how to do makeup. People just watch for like entertainment value. Like I know that that's a huge reason why I watch Raw Beauty Christy, just because she does makeup and yeah, like you learn a few things, she uses new products, it seems cool, but she seems like an awesome person to hang out with. I think people want that and, you know, entertainment value more than education these days. Unless your technique is literally something that no one has ever seen before, but that's like 1 in a million. I think that's also because of the overkill that we've seen in celebrity makeup brands. Like literally every celebrity has a makeup brand. And look, I can't talk because, you know, I have my lash line. If you guys are interested, we're currently on sale for Mother's Day. I can't help but feel pressure, like being a small business owner, to try and keep up with these huge companies with these machines behind them. How am I supposed to measure up? How am I supposed to compare myself? And, you know, beauty trends are happening every 3 seconds. Can you use my Andre lashes, by the way? Hold on, let me get a little zoom of these. These are my Andre lashes. They are so beautiful. I went through a really rough time when I was 21, and that's when I bring down the amount of YouTube content that I was creating because I really needed to spend more time being present in real life rather than on social media. In a way, I do have a lot of regrets with that because I feel like when I was uploading, you know, 2-3 days a week on my A game, I was growing so much, and you know, every video used to crack at least like 1,000 views, and now my videos will probably hit like 200-300 views. The lashes are drying, guys. The best tip that I have is to just press them up where they give you a really beautiful fanned out effect and they don't droop down. I'm gonna use the brand new NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. This is in the shade 4 Barcelona. Probably should have color corrected beforehand, but like, oh well, we'll be fine. Australian people, I don't really know many people who are still creating beauty content. Like, okay, Lauren Curtis, I don't know if she still uploads YouTube videos. Chloe Morello, she still does. Shan XO is definitely still around, killing it. And she's pregnant as fuck right now. Dani, I think she still makes videos. I don't even follow her, to be honest, so I really don't know. Michael Finch is like a plant gay now. Like, I don't know what's going on. Don't be wrong, like, I love and respect these people so much. Like, I've met all of them. But there's, you know, one that wasn't particularly very nice to me or to the people who I was friends with at the time. For concealer, I'm gonna grab the One Size Medium Dark. I love this concealer. I have been absolutely obsessed with it lately because it is so buttery. It is literally called the Butter Silk Concealer for a reason. I did not realize that my camera cut off. So I just set underneath my eyes using the Nakia Joy Cosmetics Velvet Finishing Pressed Powder. This is my second one and I've already hit pan on it because I literally use this on every single client. I use that to set under my eyes, and then I went in with the Fenty Honey Glaze Cheeks Out Cream Bronzer. Cream blush, I used the Hank & Henry LAC Cream Mousse, which is like an eyes, lips, and cheeks kind of product in the shade Senora. It's basically just like a very pretty mauvey tone. Liquid highlighter, I use the Fenty Liquid Kilowatt in 02 Vintage Velour just to add a little bit of a highlight. I really want to keep the skin nice and glowy. Hailey does not seem to have a lot of powder on her face. So I'm gonna grab the Mecca Max Zoom Liner in Baby Blue. Oh my god, also speaking of Nakia, I went to her wedding. It was so freaking beautiful. Okay, so Nakia actually invited me as a guest, and she also got me to do her bridal party's makeup on the day, which was so special. It was honestly such an honor to be part of Nakia's beautiful day. If you guys have not seen the wedding video, I will link it down below. I'm actually honored because I made it into the wedding video. But yeah, literally a fairy tale from beginning to end. Like, it was just such a magical day. Grab the Anastasia Riviera palette and take this shade here, Seychelles. No, not Seashells, Seychelles, like the country. For the lips, she seems to just have a very neutral kind of color on the lips. I'm gonna grab a makeup wipe and just get rid of any of the foundation on my lip. The Peaches and Cream lip liner in Borderline. The color looks like this. Then I'm gonna take the Too Faced I'm Thriving Lady Bold lipstick and just kind of tap that over my lip. And then I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair off camera and then I will be right back. So that is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. I don't know what's going on with my hair. By the way, I just completely disregard it, love, okay? I really don't know what the fuck's going on. I tried. I hope you guys like this video where I try and emulate the look that Hailey Bieber was spotted wearing. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I don't really post on TikTok. Actually, I kind of do. I post really random shit on TikTok, but then like I actually post like my proper stuff on like Instagram. Love you guys so much. I hope to be back on here. I want to get another video up hopefully in the next week for you guys. I love you so much and I will hopefully see you in the next one.